Gomphrena, also known as globe amaranth, is an edible plant in the amaranth family. Gomphrena globosa is native to Central America, including regions of Panama and Guatemala, but is now grown globally. The plant arrived in the United States in the 1700s. It was grown as an ornamental in gardens of the well-to-do, and most notably by young Thomas Jefferson at his childhood home in Shadwell. The round-shaped flower inflorescences are a visually dominant feature, and cultivars have been propagated to exhibit shades of magenta, purple, red, orange, white, pink, and lilac. Within the flower heads, the true flowers are small and inconspicuous. As a tropical annual plant, Gomphrena globosa blooms continuously throughout summer and early fall. It is a very heat-tolerant and fairly drought-resistant, but grows best in full sun and regular moisture. The plant fixes carbon through C4 pathway. To dumb that down, it's genetically wired to breathe differently than many other plants, so it can conserve energy, retain moisture, and survive in soils lacking in nitrogen that are typical of tropical climates. This plant is common in landscape design and cutting gardens for its vivid colors and color retention. Given Gompphrena's long taproot, you'll need to work your garden soil to a crumbly consistency to a depth of at least 12 inches, add amendments as needed. Gomphrena looks great in borders planted among other sunlovers such as zinnias, salvias, Mexican sunflowers, and dahlias. This plant is not attracted to deer but will reliably draw butterflies into your garden. It also makes a good companion to beans, marigolds, peas, peppers, spinach, and thyme too. In Hawaii, it is commonly used in long-lasting leis since it retains its shape and color after drying. The flowers of Gomphrena are rich in beta-cyanines, which have a wide range of applications as additives and supplements in the food industry, cosmetics, and livestock feed.